Hi students, I wanted to come on because I had a couple people ask questions about the math. So for math, you will always go to Schoology Courses Math. I have it broken down by week and day. So day one, the first thing I would do is I would go to the first page. You want to go step by step through all of the things I posted for you. So this is just kind of an overview of what you're going to be doing for day one. We have our learning essential question, the resources I'm giving you, and the activities. So day one, the first thing I would do is read this page. Then I would go look at some of the other resources I posted for you. They could be videos or songs, or there are some notes for you. There are more activities, a game for you to practice, and then the Envisions activity. So you would click this page, and this tells you exactly what you're doing for today. It's chapter 15, lesson 1, and these are the 3 assignments I've sent you. So how you get to these assignments, you need to, and if you notice I have many tabs open, that's probably going to be something it will be helpful for you too. So I have my WebNet open with all of my applications. You want to go to Pearson SuccessNet and you click it. Your page might look a little bit different as a student, but it should have similar components. So then you would click Grade 4 Math. Your book is Envision Florida Mathematics 2020 Grade 4. I would click that. And then in the middle, this is your classes. So if you click this, it should tell you all the different assignments that you have. So I'll click classes, and it will have all the different assignments. So right now I can see, this is the teacher view. I can see that one student completed this activity. But yeah, so you would just go through, I'd click 15.1, and then it has the different things that you need to do. So I hope that this was helpful for you. Again, this is new for many of us, so please just stay patient, watch my videos, watch the things that I'm posting to help you. And of course, you can always reach out to me through Class Dojo or even through Schoology. Messaging has been very helpful for some students. So please try your best and have patience. And I'm very excited that we are going to continue learning in this very uncertain time.